Hi guys, I want to invite you today to join me on this tour inside Playa Dorada to find out about the opportunity to acquire a beautiful beach condo within the prestigious Riviera Azul Condo Hotel. The Caribbean elegance and wide range of first-class services at Playa Dorada makes it one of the top exclusive tourist complexes in this country. Just 15 minutes drive to Puerto Plata International Airport, with frequent flights to major cities like Miami, New York, Boston, Newark, Toronto, Montreal, Providenciales, London, Copenhagen, Helsinki, Frankfurt, Moscow, among others. Only 5 minutes drive to the commercial center of Puerto Plata City. Inside Playa Dorada, you will find one of the top golf courses in the Caribbean designed by Robert Trent Jones and ranked by Golf Digest magazine among the top 100 with 18 holes and 72 par. For your convenience, Playa Dorada Mall offers pharmacy, banks with ATM machines, movie theater, and merchandise stores. Playa Dorada allows you to enjoy an active life surrounded by nature, with secure outdoor locations like a big trail of 5-kilometer scenic route with markers every 200 meters. A wide range of gastronomy with beachfront restaurants and bars, also Italian, Mediterranean, grills, Asian, and international cuisine among others. This is one of the top secured complexes within the North Coast with gated entrance and 24/7 private security. Welcome to a paradise where the sun, the sea, and the sand come together to create an unforgettable experience. Riviera Azul invites you to immerse yourself in a dream getaway on the beautiful north coast of the Dominican Republic. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views, surrounded by lush tropical gardens and a refreshing breeze. Get relaxed at the terrace balcony with views to the golf course, or enjoy the beautiful weather at one of the pool facilities like the ocean front or the lagoon pool. This unit features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, fully furnished and equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. Air conditioning and water heater. Enjoy the best facilities and services like private gym, oceanfront restaurant, tennis court, 24/7 energy service due to a powerful backup generator, customer service desk, housekeeping, and maintenance to ensure the physical state of your investment. Riviera Azul has one of the highest rental income rates within Playa Dorada that will assure the best return on your investment if you plan to have it as a second home. Come and discover your dreamscape and the lifestyle that you deserve. Please like and subscribe to support our channel and to receive our new listings.